Remove these two screws. Under this label there is the other screw. Please note that removing this label may void your drum warranty. Remove the second screw. Using a flat screwdriver, remove the metal ring. Slide the metal shaft of the drum. Remove the side cover. Remove this gear. Remove the corona wire assembly. Do not lose the cleaner of the wire. Remove this gear. Remove the waste toner container. You can now remove the drum. It has a separate gear. Remember that the light may damage the drum. This is the transfer roller. Clean it with a soft cloth. You can lightly dampen the cloth with water. Rotate the roller through its gear. It's not necessary to remove it. Remove the two black levers of the waste toner container. Remove this small gear. To clean the waste toner container, remove the two screws. Remove the cover. There are hooks. This is waste toner container. You have to clean it. This is the cleaner roller. You can clean it with compressed air. Do not damage this plastic blade, or the waste toner may fall inside the printer. Reinstall the cover of the waste toner container. Insert the two screws. Install the little gear. Reinsert the two black levers. Install the gear of the drum. Reinsert the drum into the unit. Install the waste toner assembly. Note the position of the two springs. Install the corona wire assembly. It's easier if you move to the center the corona wire cleaner. Install the little gear. Install the second gear. Install the side cover. Insert the two screws of the corona wire. Insert the metal shaft. Reinstall the metal ring. This cartridge has a chip. There are no reset procedures. To cancel the error message, you have to change the chip. Place the corona wire cleaner in its position, and the work is done.